the roses. It's the third week in April. These rose bushes have grown about 1.5 feet in the last 3 weeks. They're doing very well. These rows of lettuces are doing very well. Got some summer squash plants and zucchini. And if you look closely, getting ready to eat. Got a row of cabbages, a row of lettuce, romaine, this is a row of onions I put in, and this is this row of Irish potatoes, and a row of tomatoes. Planted marigolds around, have the flowers bringing the bees. Planted a bunch of cucumbers along the fence. Had to put in a new diverter. I think the winter got inside, the last one froze it. I'll take that out this year and put it away for storage so it won't freeze. Let's check out how the greenhouse is doing. Putting all those plants out. And I've been planting new ones as I go along for a second round. Everything's taken off. There's a petunia popping out. Did a bunch of petunias. So hot in here. It's 90 degrees in here this morning. I'll open this up here to get some cool air in here. You can see I got a pepper plant. I keep the pots in water. Oh, they're mighty hot. Everything's starting to wilt a little too hot here. Potted plants down there.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.